The origins of chalk and slate in education.
Chalk and slate became classroom staples in the early 19th century. Before notebooks were common, these tools allowed students to write, erase, and reuse their work. Slates were pieces of flat stones set in wooden frames, while chalk provided a simple, affordable writing medium. Their use spread quickly, changing how teachers and students communicated in schools around the world.
How slates changed classroom learning.
Writing on slate provided instant feedback. Students could practice letters, math, and spelling without wasting paper. Teachers reviewed work easily and corrected mistakes on the spot. Slates promoted participation, as children could solve problems together and hold up answers for the class to see. This interactive approach shaped early lessons and made learning more dynamic and accessible.
Chalkboards, from individual to shared writing.
Large classroom chalkboards, also called blackboards, appeared alongside personal slates. Chalkboards let teachers demonstrate lessons for everyone to see. Students still use their own slates to follow along, copy notes, or solve exercises. Chalkboards united classes, encouraging group learning and making it easier for teachers to share information with large groups at once.
Challenges and rituals of slate use.
Using slates had its downsides. Chalk dust could be messy and irritate hands or lungs. Slates sometimes broke, and the constant clack of writing could be noisy. Still, students developed rituals, cleaning slates with rags or spit, and sharpening chalk by hand. These small routines became part of daily school life before notebooks and pens became affordable for everyone.
Legacy of chalk and slates in education.
Slates and chalkboards gradually gave way to paper notebooks and pencils in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, yet their influence endures. The methods of interactive learning, instant correction, and collaborative work they encouraged still shape modern classrooms. Chalk and slate marked a pivotal shift in how knowledge was taught, remembered, and shared across generations.